How to buy noderzz by virtual token. So this token came under the symbol of nodes. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before I'm going to buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the explainer. If you want to buy this token, just click on here to copy the token address, and remember this token address is under this base network. Now open your wallet. For this I will use Bitget wallet. Now go to your wallet. Now select the base network from here and click on plus icon. Now here paste the token address as you can see. Now so that is our token. Now click on plus to be able to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token called nodes. So as you can see, this is. Now click on it. Now after that, what you need to do, just click on swap here, and after that switch from here, and from the top select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC. Now here type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is it, and after that click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy noderzz by virtual token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.